In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variations to your Gumroad product. Start by opening your Gumroad product page. From there, you'll be working directly inside the product settings, so you can keep everything organized in one place. Once you're on that product, scroll down until you find the variations section. This is where you can offer different editions or tiers of the same product, which is great for letting customers choose the version that best fits their needs. Click on Add Version. This creates a new variation entry. Give this version a clear, memorable name. For example, you might call it Pro Version, Extended License, or Limited Edition. The name should instantly communicate what makes it distinct so customers understand their options at a glance. Next, add a short description that explains exactly how this variation differs from the standard version. Keep it specific and benefits focused. You might highlight extra features, included bonuses, usage rights, support level, or delivery format. The goal is to help customers quickly see the value of stepping up to this version without needing to compare pages of text. If the difference is time-limited or exclusive, say so here to set accurate expectations. Now set the additional price. This field adds to your base product price, so think of it as the upgrade amount. For example, if your base product is priced at a certain amount and you add an additional price here, the total for this version will be the base plus this increment. Choose a number that reflects the extra value you're offering. Round numbers can make checkout feel smoother, and consistency across versions helps customers compare easily. If this variation is meant to be scarce, like a limited edition, set a maximum number of orders. This caps how many people can purchase that version, which is useful for collector editions, early bird tiers, or special bundles. Be sure the limit aligns with your promise so you don't oversell. Once everything looks good, the name, the description, the additional price, and any order limit, save your changes. Give the page a moment to update, then review your variations to confirm they display correctly. It's a good idea to preview what customers will see so you can verify the naming is clear and the pricing adds up as expected. That's it. You've added a new version to your Gumroad product, making it easier for customers to choose the exact edition they want while showcasing the added value you're offering.